The ghost and hop up in a fan on. I know I'm about to blow up. When you done, I see my flow, I take they ass for ransom. I know that I'm gone. They see me blowing up, now they say they want some. I got 2 twins.
So today we are doing another video, you know. As you can see, come outside. So we have a range of challenges, right? So how do I explain it? It's beer pong. We're gonna fill all these cups up with water, right? If I shoot this and get it in cans, right? They know to play. So, as you can see, we have some dangerous challenges right here. Oh my. So, as you can see, he fall up so little, man. These are knock over. And they're gonna fall out, what, with a ping pong ball? Wait, which one's it? Look. This one, right? Shot by the paintball guns. You know what, Cameron? I'm gonna be aiming for that one, you know? Come over here. Look, so.
But we with the internet beef, we can add up. I ain't finna tweet with you, don't tag me in no status. Neighborhood.
Look at that. Shut up. Okay, we're gonna stick it to that now, you ready? Go on, have a shot.
First shot.
Okay, this is just a practice. And baggy get for him. No. Yeah, I just
rock,
bagged
paper,
it.
scissors, come on in. Rock, paper, scissors, shoot. Rock, paper, scissors, shoot. Rock, paper, scissors, shoot. 1-0. Rock, paper, scissors, shoot. 2-1-1. Rock, paper, scissors, shoot. 2-1. Rock, paper, scissors, shoot. Rock, paper, scissors, shoot. Rock, paper, scissors, shoot. Yeah.
Cook that shit up, quick.
Whoa, which one's the paintball one?
Good there.
Yeah, you know.
You can also
You am a cheating, man.
What the hell, man?
Nah, that don't count.
Yeah, it's 4 shots, I think. Your decision.
Anything. You can't get shot with a paintball.
Cook that shit up, quick.
Don't make it hard to start off with, man. I've got a nice whack stick to the leg, eh? Why? Like, do it up here then. Don't do it there, man. Wait, 5. Ooh, wait, don't work it out.
You lucky.
I told you to wait, but nah. You all listening, what's that?
Come on, do the video.
Cook that shit up, quick.
No, that bangs off me.
Nah,
No,
that bangs off. No, you
can't
can't do that.
You look.
Yeah, but it bangs off you, did he? What the hell, man?
In a row. Yeah.
Mayonnaise, man. Do it here, you dickhead.
Go look.
Of course you can see that. Yes, right there, mate. Go on.
I'm gonna throw up. Hey, what?
I'm gonna throw up.
Shot mine.
Of course you are.
Oh, this behind.
Come on, man. Why is mine not going in?
Cook that shit up, quick.
What the hell, man? Cow! What the hell is this,
What's
man?
that?
It's so fair. Free pass?
Oh, you lucky.
Does that mean my free pass goes? Yes! Fine!
Slap.
You know how hard this is gonna be?
No, you ain't doing
Yes,
it
you
hard.
can. Get it. This
You
can
ain't
be
doing
hard.
it
This can be hard. Yeah,
No,
you can.
you're not.
Get it.
If you,
Get
no,
it.
you're not slapping me hard.
Get it. Oh my god! What a joke. That was hard, that was. Like the video. Have a nice time.
Watch you get that one.
We took that. Cinnamon! Have we got cinnamon? I don't think we got cinnamon.
Dry as anything.
No, that time I threw up.
Oh, I don't care.
Drink, you get the drink when you need it. No, just put it up. No, because then you're just going to drink it. I won't drink it straight away. Just put it in your mouth. No, straight in your mouth. I threw up in this thing. Good. Is that fair? Odd famed in you yesterday.
Not today, mate.
Come on, man. This ain't fair.
What is it?
It's soaked by the hose, man.
I forgot the hose they were.
Do it. You're gonna have to get a tub of water.
Cook that shit up, Quay.
Come here. What is that? Oh my god! Oh my god! Could we get a cloth, man? I'm freezing.
Nah, man, just carry on playing.
Right then, lads, if you do not like the video, right, I will get Cameron to eat you all, you know.
Cook that shit up, Quay.
Come on, man! Mom, tell him, man. Wax strip.
Come on, quick, in the leg, quick.
I'll dry it. Let me dry it. Right.
Cook that shit up, Quay.
Come on, we're playing this around. I can remember.
Play fair. That? Come on! What is that? This ain't fair, man. Swear.
Cook that shit up, Quay.
What is that, man? Mom!
Shut the sauce.
Why can't I get it in yours? Watch.
Is
I'll
that
do it
what
now
it
like
is?
this. What the? I give up, man.
Is that what it is? Shut the sauce? Yeah. No, I love it.
Cook.
That looks nice.
You can have two at the same time then.
Oh my god, that is hot. Oh my god, it's hot, you know.
Cook that shit up, Quay.
No, just come on, man. Just take it.
Look at my ball.
Oh, shut up, man.
Well, you have the wind on your favour.
Cook that shit up, Quay.
I'll watch it on the camera, gone. Come, man! Mom, tell him, man.
Let's go.
Man.
Is the paintball one? Yeah. Yes.
I. Oh no! I ain't having that cap. Come on, have that.
You've had it before. In your leg, please.
Stop, man!
I ain't.
Shoot it one more time. I don't think I want it.
Well, I'm aiming for your belly, so further I am, the less accurate it is. You ready?
Do it in my arm.
Yeah.
Oh,
I'm pulling this inside.
oh my!
This weapon.
Do it in my belly.
Yeah.
Pussy.
Ready? You gonna tense?
You reckon I should tense? Just do it, okay? Just do it.
I'm trying to.
Oh, that one hurt. Oh my god! Oh my god, that one hurt.
You have all the tickets.
Oh.
Cook that shit up, Quay.
My accuracy was on point yesterday.
Guys, today, man. I'll basically got them all.
You ain't, what challenge have you done? The slap? Ooh. You haven't done no sauce. I've got everything. 4 shots in a row. 4 shots in a row.
Great.
Oh, what's going on, man? Yes, give me that dead arm.
Doing it soft.
You
best hit my arm,
I
right?
will.
You made it.
I'm doing it like that.
Go
Don't
on.
move.
It's more when you're tapping.
Oh, how a good time that was. Yes,
Still
man.
with him.
Come on then. Go then, man. Right then, lads, if you do not like the video, right, I will get Cameron to eat you all, you know. Look at the marks.
Right, then. See you in a bit.
Like the video. Have a nice time.
Peace.